Hi everyone, so I'm just back with a very quick video. This is a little Friday freebie I have for you. So we have got 4 pages. We've got a set of tags with autumn florals, and we have got 3 pages of like a vintage French vintage papers with the florals on them as well, and they're in the portrait style, but you can use them that way. I wouldn't mind using them that way anyway. So here we go. They will be in my coffee shop. Check out my other freebies, my digitals for sale. I have got journals on my coffee shop because that is my new place to sell now. I won't be using my website anymore. That's just a reminder, because I think there's still, I've had a few messages on my website saying, oh, saw your journal but it's not on here for sale. I'm not selling on there anymore. So I made an announcement last week. I've mentioned it a few times. I think I'll have to do it because I had quite a lot of members on my website, and obviously, I don't know, you probably got notifications when listings went up and things. So yeah, everything's on my coffee shop. I've got journal bundles for sale. I've got Christmas journals for sale, and other journals, so you can check them out. So thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.